Hey guys, today in this video, let's learn how to change the color of Google Calendar events. First thing first, launch your browser and then type in calendar.google.com. Once you're logged into your account, let's go ahead create an event. In my case, I would like to go for week. So select week and let's select a date. Let's give it a title. And you will see the color is by default this blue. If you would like to change it, first of all, let's go ahead and save it. And go add it again. You will see this edit button. Click onto it. Scroll below and under your name or beside your name, you will see this default color. Go ahead, select any color that you would like red for instance, and save it. Once you do so, this has been saved. And this also works for any calendar event that is already registered. So select this, select the edit icon, and select the color. Select save, and this is how you can do it.